Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In the yesterday's videos, we have seen the what is the list and what is the order list and what is the unordered list. Okay. And if you haven't gone through that videos to know about the description list, so please go through those videos to understand the what is the list. Okay. So it is present in the HTML tutorial playlist. Okay. So now, so let's see about today's topic is we have description list. Okay. So first of all, we should understand what is the description list about. For example, I have one in the real time we'll see in the restaurant if you go somewhere or in the restaurant. So you will be seeing that there is a vegetable section is different. Another one is the like non-vegetable section will be different. In the veg, there again the list will be there. Veg is the one of the list again. In that veg food, again there will be a lot of lists will be there. For example, you see that rotis and the starters. Okay, so and also like bhajis, like so for that, for bhaji is a what? For example, the rice. If you take the rice items. So in the rice item is a description of that list, and in that list again you will go with the, some kind of again the list of that. Okay, so in the rice there are again the list will be there. So if I want to go for that, so I can just go with the description list. Okay. So in the front end, for example, again you will come into the front end. If you take the full stack, okay. So in the full stack, you will be having a front end and the back end and another one is database, right? In the front end, you will get the what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. Again, in the backend, you will get a Java. Okay. So, or a Python. And in the database, you will get a MySQL or a MongoDB or any other uh, databases. You will get it. Okay. So, these are the many, like, if you see the front end, that is a description. Okay. Description of that list. And if you see that HTML, CSS, those are the what? The you can say that is a list of that. Okay, so how to display that one? Okay, so let's see in the practical manner. Let me create a one example, one file here that is called as a description list dot html and shift plus one enter. So it will give the basic structure. And let me create a one list here. So here I'll use the DL for the data list. Okay, and DD for the data description. DT. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I should not be here. I'll write it as a uh, front end. Okay. In this front end, I'll add the DT. Okay. HTML, DT, CSS, DT, JavaScript. Okay. Again, I'll add another one is like DD is backend. Okay. In this backend, I'll use the DT. Okay. So Java, Python. Okay, like this I'll use it. Okay, and let me run this. Okay, so this is called as a description. I'm sorry, I might have done a mistake here. So sorry. So let me remove this one again. DD, sorry, DT, I'll add it, and front end. Okay, then DD, I'll add it. So here I'll add the HTML. Okay, so let me run it. So let's see. This is correct. Sorry, by my bad. Okay, so DT is for a data tag, and this DD is for data description. So we have to describe the list, right? So we have to use the DD. Okay, so DD CSS and DD DD JavaScript. Okay, so like this, and for the backend, DT backend DD Python DD Java. Okay, so let's see. You can see. So this is a data tag. Okay, and this is a description of that list. Okay, this is a data tag, then this is a description of that list. So I hope this video is like you understood the description list, and if you understood this video or this session, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe it. Thank you for watching, guys.